Oh, train, Hayden. Oh my god, I'm here. Hayden, I'm here.
No.
Got him!
Clip it, clip it, clip it.
Oh my god, Hayden!
I got his body.
Oh my god!
He's loaded. He's loaded. He's actually loaded.
Oh my god! Did you just revo?
No, no, no. You have to get that. I'm going back.
I don't know where it's at. I don't think we can find it.
Body's right here. Here, stay there. I'm gonna come back and help you look.
Oh my! I got it! It was a P2. I got it.
Dude, I hit the bullets.
Oh my god!
Did you just jump on his head?
Yeah. Well, I didn't see him at first because it was dark.
Dude, look at this right here. You have an empty inventory?
Yeah.
Let's look at those comps.
Oh my god!
I need a DB.
Try and flip somebody off, dude. That'd be dope. What the fuck? Bro.